Good morning, children. This is Venugopal for Little Hearts Publications with EVS Book 2, Lesson 3, Growing Older. What do you mean by growing older? What's the meaning of grow or growth or growing, whatever it is? Do you remember every year since you were born, and different occasions, particularly on your birthday and other festival occasions, your parents snap the photographs of you with their cameras. When you were born, you were so small, this much. Do you remain like this small, or you continue to grow big or bigger? Do you remain like the same small child forever, or you start growing? Okay, you ask your father or mother to show you or your photographs when you were born, that photographs which were taken when you were born. From there, now you see, look at yourself there in the mirror and ask your parents to take a photograph of you at this age of 5 years, let us suppose, or 4 years or 3 years. Compare the photographs that were taken when you were born to your present photographs. Is there any change? Have you observed any changes there from this photograph to this photograph? Of course, it will be. There are many changes. Growing older does not mean becoming old people. Growing older in the sense, every living things. What are called living things? Can you name the living things, children? Human beings, plants, and animals. These are the living things. All these living things grow. You know that? Just like when you are a small child, when you are born, you are a small child, small in size. Now you have grown up to this size, from this size to this size. How is it possible? You grow with your age. Now suppose there is a plant, a small plant. Does it remain plant forever? First the plant will be of this much size. Look at the picture there in your textbook in page number 13. That small plant grows into a bush. Then it grows into a big tree. Does it remain the same size as the time grows? Or as the time passes? No. In the same way, human beings also grow from age to age. Day by day they grow. When the child was born, it is of this much size only. Slowly they grow in size. And now look at your height there in the mirror. So a plant grows into a tree or a bush. So how does it happen? When we grow in age, our body parts also grow in their size. When we grow in age, our body parts also grow in size. And for all living things, it is the same. For example, a plant grows into either a tree or a bush. A pup means a small baby dog grows up to become a dog. When the dog, you might have seen a small pup, a baby dog. It grows into a big dog. Now a boy from this size grows up to become a man. A boy grows and becomes a man. A girl slowly grows and becomes a woman. So, if you want to know the meaning of growth, children, you look at your own photographs which were taken at different ages by your parents during different occasions like festivals or your birthdays. Okay, children? In the same way, children always keep growing. Just like a small pup grows into a dog, a small plant grows either into a bush or a tree. Children also, human babies also keep growing. Let us see. At birth means when the baby is born, it's always small in size, very small in size. At that age, you just born, you are not able to do anything on your own. So, the mother takes care of her baby till the baby starts growing, until the baby is able to walk and do its own things. The mother takes care of her baby. From a baby, we grow up to be a young boy or a girl. From babies to, if it is a female baby, that grows into a young girl. If it is a male baby, that grows into a young boy. From a baby, we grow up to be a young boy or girl. Look at that pictures there. With time, a young boy or girl grows up as a teenager. Teenager means what? From a boy or a girl, when you are between the ages of 13 and 19, you are called a teenager. Because from this spelling to that 19 spelling, you get the TEN there at the end in the English spellings. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Because these spellings contain the word or the letters TEN at the end, this particular age is called teenager. So, teenage. From small boys and girls or young boys and girls, they grow up into teenagers. Teenagers grow to become adults. After 19, you are called adults. Okay, children? And adults grow old. Once you cross, well, adults means the people who cross the teenage, adults grow old. Once the adults grow old, their hair turns grey and the body becomes weak. They lose their teeth. There will be foldings on their skins. They will not be able to see the things properly. They will not be able to hear anything properly once you become old. So, every child grows into an old man. One day or after some years, after 60 or 70 years, you are called an old man. Now you are called a boy. Once you cross the age of 12 and you come to the age of 13, till the age of 19, you are called a teenager. After that, you are called an adult. Adult gets married. They have their own children. After some years, they also become old. Like this process goes on. This is what is called growing older. So, when we grow, some body features change. Then some of the features of the body change and some of the body features do not change at all. They remain the same. Now, you are asked some question there. There is a table given. Write same or change against each feature. Features which change, features which remain the same. For example, color of eyes. Will they remain same or change? They change. Color of eyes also change. So you have to write in the first blank change. Height. Height also changes. Number of fingers, do they change? The fingers remain 10 only, whether you are a small baby or an old man. So it remains the same. Color of hair changes. Weight changes. Everything except number of fingers, everything, every feature of the body changes. Okay, children, with that we come to the end of the lesson. Let us discuss the exercise now. Before going into the details of the exercise, let us summarize what we have learnt in this lesson. All living things grow. What are living things? Human beings, plants, animals are living things. All these grow. Grown-ups look different from children. When you are a small child, you look different from what you are now today. A small plant grows into a tree or into a bush. A small pup grows to become a dog. In the same way, a baby grows up to be a girl or a boy. So, this is the summary of what we have learnt in this lesson. Children, let us go to the exercise now. Tick the correct answer. It's a task for a formative assessment and summative assessment. Plants, animals, and human beings are dash. Are they living things? Are non-living things? Or none of these? They are living things. Already it is written here. So answer is A. We are born as babies or adults or old people. When you are born, you are old or you are adult. What are you called then when you are born? You are born as babies. When we grow older, we become weak or strong or heavy. When we grow old, what happens to us children? We become weak. Answer is A. A plant grows into a dash or a dash. A plant may grow into a tree or a bush. So answer is C. Okay children, now there are some questions given. Let us discuss the questions. What does a girl grow into? A girl grows into a teenager, a woman. Do you think all living things grow? Yes, all living things grow. What does a plant grow into? A plant grows into a tree or a bush. Okay, children, let us see fill in the blanks with the words there given in the box. Grown-ups look different from. What is the first answer, children? Yes, children only. Grown-ups look different from children. A boy grows and becomes a man. All living things dash grow. At birth, every child is a small baby. Okay, children, activity time. Now, paste the following photographs. When you are a baby, you paste a picture of yourself there. When you are in nursery, recent photograph. Keep those photographs, paste them there and identify the difference there in the growth of your body. Now, tick the correct answer. Yes or no, you have to. Do you find a change in yourself after pasting these pictures? In the blanks provided, in the boxes provided there, you answer these questions with yes or no. With that, we come to the end of this lesson. Children, thank you very much. The key for all these exercises will be sent to you through WhatsApp. Thank you very much.